Ethereum may slide 4.2% tomorrow, based on Gov Capital Collector projections. To begin, let's check the chart and see how things are shaping up. As of the latest update, Ethereum is up 2% in the past 24 hours and is trading close to $1,689.79. Now for today's analyst breakdown. CoinCodex sees the asset moving to $1,715.66 by June 10, which would mean a gain of 1.6%. Ethereum may weaken toward $1,663.41 per digital coin price, showing a decrease of about 1.5%. According to crypto predictions, it might be heading lower toward $1,648.16. A decline estimated at 2.4%. A separate estimate by Gov Capital Collector suggests Ethereum may head downward toward $1,617.91, a projected fall close to 4.2%. And last but not least, Traders Union projects the price falling to $1,576.47 by tomorrow, 6.6% below. Now, this is the top return short call. Forecasts are done. Let's explore what comes next. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a decrease of 6.6% and a rise of 1.6%, depending on the analyst. Overall, Traders Union provides the leading forecast with 6.6% lift in value by June 10. In short, you could earn between $15 and $66 for every $1,000 you invest. Judging by the probability, digital coin price is ahead with an 82.8% chance of success. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. The combined forecasts point to Ethereum moving down to around $1,644.32, reflecting a 2.6% drop. Here's the full picture. The consensus estimate points to a 2.6% decline by tomorrow. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 2.6% if the trend follows through. On 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $26. So by probability measures, the consensus view for Ethereum is given a chance of around 73.5%. At this point, here's what analysts anticipate for the coming 3 days. Further appreciation is projected by CoinCodex. Digital coin price suggests Ethereum could slide further. Crypto Predictions projects the price moving north in the short term. The outlook from Gov Capital Collector shows the price drifting lower. Additionally, Traders Union expects Ethereum to fall. Aggregating these perspectives, the consensus indicates Ethereum moving down across this horizon. Overall, 60% of analysts highlight a downward trend for Ethereum. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they matched yesterday's reality. By the end of trading, the price was $1,690.19. Every forecast ended up on the wrong side of the move. As far as accuracy goes, CoinDataFlow stood out on top. Let's lay it all out. All 5 forecasts ended up outside the market's move. As for RA, only one forecast managed to end with gains. Now on screen is the summary table. All forecasts lined up for review. As indicated in the data, 30 rates achieved 6% ROI and $135.19 accuracy. Study the table for a moment and see who performs strongest. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Ethereum and others. Ethereum currently shows the highest projected return for tomorrow, 2.6%. For now, we compare only 5 coins, and a wider performance comparison of many cryptocurrencies is now live on my website. If today's analysis was helpful, tap like and subscribe. New forecasts come every day. See you in the next comparison.